Alright, man. I've been trying to give y'all some quality content, but every time I try, the parts be wrong. So, I got some parts today. Yesterday, wrong. Got my steering column, but I need my steering shaft so I can hook it up to the gearbox. So, and I got my steering wheel on. Yeah. So, just waiting. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the steering shaft. But today, we gonna put a push button on it. If I can get it out the box. I tore the box up. Wow. But today, we putting this on it. Push to start. Just all like the race trucks and race cars, man. Think I'm gonna put it right there where the radio's supposed to go. I'm gonna put it right there. So, this is what we doing today. Roll the intro.
I was stressed and started thinking this was just a phase. Yeah, I got money and a fame, but I still think about you. Like last night I couldn't sleep, I couldn't be without you. Yeah, I go crazy about my baby, I'ma tweak about you. Like go ahead and try your luck and you gon' see what I do. Like little baby, you got me just going crazy. You left and I couldn't take it. Love you, I couldn't fake it. Like lately you just been up on my mind. It's been a few years, but I still give you all my time. Like baby, here go all my time.
Alright, party people. Man, so let me tell y'all, this thing ain't come with no kind of instructions. So what I did was the red wire, the pink wire, that's the ignition. Brown wire, I don't know. Yellow wire, starter. The ignition gonna run off that switch. Starter, push start, first toggle, I think I'm gonna put my fuel pump on there. Other two, just for whatever. So, about to wire everything up. I wired the panel. They're pretty good. The best I can do for right now. She should be ready and started by today. That's what I say. First start up. Got everything wired up. Need to put this on there. It ain't working. So, turned it on. Give it some gas. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Turn it off. Oh yeah. Man. Everything did by me. No instructions. Belt came off. Belt came off that pulley. I'm gonna need a new belt, man, but that's the end of the video. I guess I ain't doing nothing else today. New radiator. Had a whole video about that install, but it was too long. He didn't wanna upload, so shit. That's the end of the video, man.